second standard students, good morning. This is our video number 3 of chapter number 4. This is our video number 3 of chapter number 4. In last second video we learned some how stay away from germs. So if you remember, that time I explained that we have to wash our hands before and after eat meals, because our hands touch, when our hands touch dirty objects, the germs will stick on our hands and it will enter in our body and it will make us ill. So for our safety or for our health, we have to wash our hands, right? Before that, in our first video I explained some healthy habits, right? So these two videos shows us, with these two videos and with this explanation, you have to give me the answer of this exercise. So first we will learn to fill in the blanks. So our first blank is use a blank to clean yourself while bathing. नहाते हो तो खुद को क्लीन रखने के लिए हम किस चीज़ का यूज़ करते हैं? यहाँ पे ऑप्शंस मैंने लिखे नहीं है, बट यू हैव ऑप्शंस वाटर, सोप, वाटर और सोप, एंड some rubbing things. So I got here soap. So use a soap to clean yourself while bathing. Or you can also write this way: use a soap and water to clean yourself while bathing. Right? Now 2. Second one, use a towel to dry yourself after a bath. नहाते हो, उसके बाद में खुद को ड्राई रखने के लिए कौन सी चीज़ यूज़ करते हो? क्लीन टॉवल. सो हियर आई गॉट द आंसर TOWEL, टॉवल, राइट? थर्ड वन, यू मस्ट ब्रश योर टीथ ब्लैंक डेली. दिन में कितनी बार ब्रश करना चाहिए? ट्वाइस, 2 times. सो हियर आई गॉट द आंसर ट्वाइस. Right? So you have to write TWICE as the answer in third one, blank. Now fourth one, take a blank every day. So you have to write here bath, BATH, bath. The answer is take a bath every day. Fifth one, here blank are tiny harmful living things which we cannot see. As I explained how to stay away from germs, that time I explained that living things, which living things are tiny, which we cannot see through our eyes, that is germs. So germs are tiny harmful living things which we cannot see. Okay? Now sixth one, oily food is blank. Oily food कैसा होता है खाने में? Unhealthy. So we have to write here unhealthy. Oily food is unhealthy, right? Seventh one, keep your hair blank and tidy. तो hair कैसे रखने चाहिए? Clean and tidy, right? So keep your hair clean and tidy. 8 1, food helps us to grow blank and healthy. Food जब आप खाना खाते हो तो आपको कैसे रखना है? हेल्दी के साथ साथ हमको वो स्ट्रॉन्ग भी रखता है. So that time we have to write here, food helps us to What is the answer? The answer is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong and healthy. The eighth one, filling the blanks, answer is strong. S-T-R-O-N-G. Strong. Right? Now ninth one. We should blank water before drinking. पानी अगर गंदा हो तो उसको प्योर करने के लिए हमें क्या करना चाहिए? या तो उसको बॉयल करना चाहिए या तो फिल्टर करना चाहिए. बट इन योर टेक्स्ट बुक द ऑप्शन ओनली बॉयल इज गिवन, सो आई रॉट हियर बॉयल. सो द सेंटेंस इज लाइक दिस वे. वी शुड बॉयल वाटर बिफोर ड्रिंकिंग. पानी पीने से पहले हमें बॉयल कर लेना चाहिए. राइट? ओके. नाउ हियर draw a red star for good habit and black star for bad ones in the box. Here some sentences are I wrote, and in the end I draw a boxes here. I read and you have to tell me which star here will come. Eating unhealthy food, that is good habit. No, that is bad habit. So we have to draw black color star. Rinsing your mouth after eating. खाने से पहले हमें हमारा मुंह धो लेना चाहिए. Is it? What is the answer? Think. Is it true? Yes, that is good habit. So we should draw here red color star because I mentioned here red star for good habit. So this is good habit. Okay, washing your hands before and after meals. That is also good habit. So I wrote here draw a star red color. Right? Biting your nails, nakhun khana, that is bad habit. So I draw here black color star. Covering your mouth with a clean handkerchief. Covering your mouth with a clean handkerchief while coughing. Yes, that is good habit. I wrote also here star. Okay, so this way you have to write in your textbook, which is given in the textbook on page number 25. Chapter 4 on page number 25 you have to mention this way. Now match the color. So you have to tell me which is the option, which option will come with which one, right? So hair, to keep your hair on place, we should use comb, right? Then nails we should cut through nail cutter. Teeth we have to brush with a toothbrush. And hands we have to wash with a soap. So this way you have to write all these things in the notebook. Okay? Now we will learn question and answer of chapter number 4. So our first one question is, why should we avoid eating oily food and fried snacks? हमें तले हुए और ऑयली खाना या नाश्ता उसको अवॉइड करना चाहिए. बट बिकॉज और एज दे आर नॉट गुड फॉर अवर हेल्थ, क्योंकि वो खाना, उस टाइप का खाना हमारी हेल्थ के लिए अच्छा नहीं होता इसके लिए। नाउ सेकेंड, हाउ मैनी आवर्स ऑफ स्लीप आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर योर बॉडी। हमारी बॉडी के लिए कम से कम कितने घंटे की नींद ज़रूरी है। सो 8 to 9 hours of sleep are important for our body, right? Now third one question, write any 2 healthy habits. Here I wrote 2 healthy habits, but you can write more if you want. So first one, brush your teeth twice a day. दिन में 2 बार ब्रश करना चाहिए। कितने बार? We should brush our teeth twice a day. Second one, keep your hair clean and tidy. जो हेयर है उसको क्लीन एंड टाइडी रखना चाहिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई शुड वी वॉश आवर हैंड्स बिफोर एंड आफ्टर ईटिंग फूड। खाने से पहले और खाने के बाद में हमें हाथ क्यों धोने चाहिए। सो द आंसर इज, germs are stick on our hands when we touch a dirty object. Object मतलब कोई भी गंदी चीज। So we should wash our hands before and after eating food. हम अगर किसी गंदी चीज़ को छू लेते हैं तो उसके जो जर्म्स होते हैं, that germs stick on our hands. So we should wash our hands before and after eating meals or food, because as they enter in our body and it will make us ill. बॉडी में एंटर होते हैं और हमें बीमार भी कर सकते हैं। Now last question, why should we wash fruits and vegetables before eating? खाने से पहले हमें फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स धोने चाहिए। क्यों? बिकॉज जर्म्स आर फाउंड ऑन फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स। जो टाइनी जर्म्स होते हैं, इंसेक्ट्स होते हैं, वो हम फ्रूट्स और वेजिटेबल्स में अपनी आँखों से देख नहीं सकते, पर उनमें वो होते हैं। सो एज अ प्रिकॉशन ऑफ अवर हेल्थ, हमारी हेल्थ की केयर करने के लिए हमें जर्म्स हो या ना हो, वी शुड वॉश आवर फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स बिफोर ईटिंग। क्या करना चाहिए? फ्रूट्स एंड वेजिटेबल्स खाने से पहले अच्छे से साफ कर लेना चाहिए। सो हियर आवर चैप्टर नंबर 4 is over with exercise, and you have to write these all things in your EVS 4 lines notebook for new session with good handwriting and without making any spelling mistakes. I will send PDF of these all things. You have to copy just that question answers in your notebook and read carefully. Thank you and be safe. Please stay away from germs and keep yourself healthy. Have a nice day.